Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Essentials, a live, verified website with visible policies and contact details. Once done, sign in with the Google account you'll use for business and pick your Merchant Center country and currency. Next, enter accurate business information and choose the target market. This determines pricing and tax displays. Make sure to accept the Merchant Center terms so you can proceed to verify and claim your website domain. This gets you past setup roadblocks and into product onboarding quickly. You will now create and submit your product feed. First, choose the best upload method for your catalog size: Google Sheets for small catalogs, Scheduled Fetch or Content API for frequent updates. Then map required attributes like ID, title, description, links, images, price, and availability. This prevents disapprovals. Once the feed is generated, verify and claim your website domain via DNS, an HTML file, or Google Tag Manager so Google trusts your store. After that, upload the finish by configuring shipping and tax settings so what customers see matches checkout totals. Set shipping services, costs, and transit time rules by region, then apply tax rates to the appropriate regions. Once shipping and taxes align, submit your feed and wait for processing. Monitor the Diagnostics tab for warnings or disapprovals, resolve item-level issues, and then enable shopping ads or free listings to launch. If something breaks, check Diagnostics first. Often a missing required attribute or mismatched price causes the most rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.